What's up, guys? What?
You got like face lotion?
Face lotion? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in here. All right, guys. So we are going to be restoring our headlights today. Ben and I, we both have pretty foggy headlights, so we want to fix them. It's raining, but that's not going to stop us. Doesn't stop us from anything. So yeah, we're going to go to AutoZone and then pick up the kit. And yeah, hopefully we'll show you the process of doing it. So yeah, peace. Have you guys ever seen the inside of Ben's car?
You don't want to.
It's actually pretty nice. It looks exactly like my car, but there's one door.
So ass.
I mean, two doors. My windshield wiper's ass. Look. It's cool. What do you mean?
Oh, right here, bro. Doesn't work properly.
Bro, why can't I just switch the camera around? Can I not do that? We're at O'Reilly's. Which one should we get? I don't know which one would be the best. Probably the one that costs more, but I don't want to do that, so. Okay, so we talked to one of the dudes. Basically, this is the one that we came with. So it's the Mother's New Lens headlight renewal kit. So you need like a power drill. You can connect the power drill to those things. And yeah, we'll show you like the entire process of doing it.
Is connected.
But yeah, so we're gonna go home and try this. Okay, so we're gonna start cleaning the headlights right now. With this? Yeah. This is rubbing alcohol. So yeah, we're just gonna wipe down the headlights, make sure there's no like dirt and stuff on them. Okay, so we just cleaned it with the rubbing alcohol. Now we're gonna mask around it and then start the whole process.
All right, how's it going? So we just finished messing up these headlights. We have our drill over there, and we're following the instructions on the box. It says 800 grit sandpaper on the drill, spray liberal amounts of water, and just overlapping, make it even. And we should pretty much see an even haze on the headlights once we're done with this step. So we'll check in once we do that. All right, look at this expert right here. He really knows what he's doing. Go on, show them how you use the drill.
Yeah, so here, this is how you do it, and I'm gonna just show you guys how an expert does it.
Yeah, it doesn't say use the corner.
Well, I have to. I can't do it flat.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, so it's going really well here. Gonna put back on the time lapse, and we'll check in with you guys once we finish step one.
Okay, so we just finished with the 800 grit sanding paper. Basically, the first passover was like pretty yellow, like a bunch of yellow, gross gunk was coming off of it. And then it kind of turned into a white paste after the second pass, and you can see it's like pretty foggy. But if you spray water on it, it's pretty clear. So that's basically what the clear coat is for, and polishing. So yeah, we're gonna do the other headlight now, and actually no, we're gonna do 1500 grit sandpaper over that. 2 passes, God willing. Basically, It's more clear now. Ben's gonna go over it with the polish prep. But yeah, so the prep for polishing.
3,000 grit.
Yeah, 3,000 grit. So it's just gonna go over once. I went over it once with the 1,500 grit. Yeah, we're almost done with one. Okay, so Ben just went over it with the 3,000 grit. Now we are going to start polishing it. And yeah, hopefully it turns out good. We're praying. So for first time doing it, honestly, it came out really good. Like, you can see the difference with this and then with this. It's still, there's a little bit of fog, but it's not that bad. And honestly, it's like crazy night and day difference. You can really see the yellow on this, on the right one, and left one is pretty good. And it took about, I think, 30 minutes. Okay, we just finished the second one. Wow, this looks so much better. You guys saw it from before. It was super yellow. There was like spots everywhere. Yeah, we did our best, and for the first time doing it, it's not that bad. There are a little bit of swirls, and I don't know why this part is still like foggy, but it's okay. It looks so much better than before. This is one thing I really wanted to get done, because it just made the car look gross. But yeah, no, now it looks 100 times better, thank God. But yeah, now we're gonna do this guy's car.
Yeah.
Same exact car, just the coupe.
So here's my car, and my headlights I think are a little worse. If you come from this angle to this side, you can really see.
Yeah, you just see the yellow like fade over the entire thing.
It's a spider. It's an ant. Okay, show them.
Yeah, and then this one, dude. Honestly, this is so bad, dude. It's super yellow. This is basically what it should look like, and that's what it looks like. So we're gonna get, I don't know what is going on here, but yeah, we're gonna get this ready, and yeah. Okay, so we're we are taking up Ben's car right now, and then the first step is 800 grit. So we're gonna do that.
So we just finished with the 800. Now Shane is doing the 1500. I went over it twice with the 800. I had some scratches on my headlights. Try to smooth them out a little bit, and then we're hoping once we go over it with the higher grit sandpapers that it should smooth out and look a little bit better. So put back on the time lapse so you guys can just see the process. And next is the 3000.
Okay, so we just finished with the 1500 grit. Now we're gonna go to 3000, probably do 1 or 2 passes over it, and then get to polishing. So, dude, it looks so much better. This is crazy. Like, actually, the amount of like fog or whatever yellow crap it had on it. Oh my gosh, it's so much better. All right, well, yeah, we are done. Honestly, Ben's, like, the difference was so much more. I think his were a bunch worse, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this helps you if you need to restore your headlights. Unfortunately, we couldn't go test the headlights on the Togue, but Hopefully a different day. It's raining today and the roads are wet and my tires are almost bald. So I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.